Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. So today I will be showing you how to make mac and cheese without butter. So that'll be kind of fun. I always like a challenge in the kitchen, so that sounds totally fine for me. And there's there's also a lot of cheese in mac and cheese, and put some bacon in there and some garlic, so that kind of spices it up a bit. So you definitely want to stick around for that, and don't forget to subscribe, and you can hit the like button. And let's get started with our mac and cheese with no butter. So the mac and cheese is also an introduction to Beaumont's Kitchen. So this is the Beaumont's Kitchen trailer. Let's get started with our mac and cheese with no butter. You don't necessarily need butter and mac and cheese, so I'm going to show you what you can do without using butter. So we got a cup and a half of milk. Toss that in there. You can use heavy cream, but that's kind of the same as butter, so I think milk. Do like a 2% milk or 1%. You can use skim milk, whatever you prefer. So that's something to remember. So I'm going to toss some. This is some chopped. You can also use like any type of cheese that you have like laying around. So this one is the jalapeno cheese. So toss that in there. Toss everything in the pot. Turn on like medium heat. Yeah, well, I guess we can. I'm just gonna toss everything in there and we'll cook it up. So bacon. You can't have mac and cheese without bacon. Bacon. Okay. Need something else. Toss some garlic in there. Oh yeah, some chopped garlic. I just put like 2 cloves in there. Okay. And some Philadelphia cream cheese. Can't have mac and cheese without cheese. I don't know what the difference is. Butter, cheese. It's cheese. A little bit of some Tex Mex cheese. Toss a little bit of that in there. All right, now I'm gonna cook this up for a minute, get it all melted up. Got our noodle pot on, so that's there. That's funny, I was wondering how I'm going to thicken it, but with all the cheese in here, I don't think I'll have to thicken it. I think it'll be pretty thick, just all by lonesome there. But if not, we do have some cornstarch, so no fear. Toss some pepper in there. I'm actually not going to add salt because of the cheese is usually pretty salty by itself, so I can adjust seasoning like at the end. I can taste it, and if it needs salt, we can add it. Alright, so we just got our cheese going for the mac and cheese there. It's just melting up. I will check the thickness afterwards and see if we have to add some cornstarch. I'm thinking we might have to, because it is still a little bit of a not a very thick sauce, but we'll see what happens once the cream cheese melts. So there you go. And of course I got our noodle pot going, so that's waiting for that to boil, and toss our noodles in there. Pretty simple. Yeah, mac and cheese isn't a hard thing to make, but it's such a homey dish, so I thought I'd kind of show you that. And this one is with no butter, so none of that extra fatty stuff, so kind of showing you that whole thing. So while I'm letting the cheese melt, and if you're new here, welcome to Beaumont's Kitchen. This is a fun place to be. A ton of videos on my channel that you should definitely check out. And the reason I'm decided to start sharing videos on YouTube was the reason is to show you like different dishes and stuff like that, and also I'll just share a little bit about myself. So my name is Sean Beaumont, and I'm of course the creator of Beaumont's Kitchen. You see me all the time cooking, so that's me. The reason, as I was saying before, the reason I started this channel is I just wanted to share my food journey with you, which is showing you simple classic dishes, also some complicated ones. I also have a certified meat cutter by trade. I have 25 years experience meat cutting, and also within those 5 years I actually cooked for 5 years. So that's a huge amount of knowledge when it comes to food and flavoring. I also I was kind of a partner in my own restaurant for 3 or 4 years. So it was pretty cool to be part of a restaurant. So yeah, there's a few things about me I just wanted to share with you, and kind of the reason why I decided to do YouTube videos. So definitely welcome to Beaumont's Kitchen, which is for the home cook and a cook at a professional level to learn different culinary techniques and different things, and that's what you can learn on my channel. And yeah, so that's what you can learn here. Definitely worth your while to subscribe, so do that. And that's kind of your welcome to Beaumont's Kitchen, and that's what Beaumont's Kitchen is all about. And I'm also on a food journey. I've been cooking pretty much non-stop since March of this past year. Been cooking like non-stop, and just wanted to share that passion, share the knowledge with you, and yeah, and definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about some of the dishes and just in general. So please do that. And yeah, that's your introduction to Beaumont's Kitchen. Thank you. Just gonna add our cornstarch with a little bit of water in there with the cornstarch. Add it to our mixture all at once. Have your whisk handy and start to whisk her all up. Yeah, that's better. Needed to thicken that sauce a little bit. All right. And all we're gonna do is just let the cornstarch cook out. That's always an important thing. Yummy, yummy. All right, and then our pasta water is bubbling away. We can toss the noodles in there. Yeah, so what you want to do with the cheese there, just keep, stirring it. Got to make love to this thing, really. So that's part of the process of mac and cheese. Not quite like risotto, but you really have to watch it and stir it, or it'll burn quite easily on you. So something to remember. So the cheese is all ready to go, so I'll put that aside, so we're good there. It tastes amazing, so that's good. And then once the noodles are done, we're gonna put it all there, and we're gonna get it all nice and stuff on the top, and I'll show you how we're gonna put it in the oven. Go from there. Yeah, another few minutes with the noodles, and then I'll show you the next step. So you want your pasta a little al dente because we're gonna put it in the oven after, right? So something to remember. So we're gonna add our cheese sauce to our mac and cheese. Let's dump her all in. Kind of move that so better angle there. I love food, but all these different camera angles. Oh man, it's challenging, really. Oh yeah, grab our spatula and get all the goodness cheese in there. All right. There we go. Oh, wow. I think this is better than the last one I made. Oh, yummy. yummy. All right, now I'm gonna get a pot. Show you what we're gonna do. Oh yeah. So, all right, toss this in there. Yummy, yummy. Oh yeah. There you go. It's saucy. That's what you want, right? Now you could eat like this, or you just put it. What I'm doing is putting it in the oven, and then it gets all yummy and crusty on top, and that's nice mac and cheese. A little bit of cheddar cheese or Tex Mex on top, or you can use cheddar cheese or fancy cheese, whatever cheese you want to use. All right, boom. Okay, and Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, dump some of that on top. And normally I would toast the breadcrumbs. This time I'm not going to. I'm just gonna put right on top. What? It'll roast in the oven, so that's good. Oh, all right. Toss her in the oven. All right, we're gonna toss her in the oven. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it's in the oven, and we're just gonna let it go for 375 till it gets all juicy on top. And you can also, if it doesn't do that in time, or we can also toss in the broiler at the end just to make it all more crispy. So a few different steps, but it should be pretty fun. Yeah, we're gonna toss on the broiler just to get all crispier on top. So we're just gonna grill broil, and it'll get all crispy on top, and then our mac and cheese is done. There's our completed mac and cheese right out of the oven. Yummy, yummy. And I'll show you the final plating. We'll dig in. So this is our final plate for the nice mac and cheese with no butter. Lots of cheese. There is milk in there, so yeah. And that's your mac and cheese with no butter. So I guess a bit healthier, but I think the cheese is pretty fatty as well. So there you go. But I thought you'd try that with no butter, no problem. It can be done. So I always like to do different things, and it's a very popular dish. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video of Beaumont's trailer, which is the simple home style mac and cheese with no butter. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Definitely worth your while to subscribe. There's a ton of videos on my channel to check out, so please do that. Yeah, Beaumont's food question of the day was feedback. Give me some, let me know what you think about some of the videos. Give me some ideas of some different stuff you want me to cook. Just get down in the comments, give me a comment, let me know. And stay tuned for the next video coming up is cinnamon buns. So definitely can't wait to check that out. So that's happening in the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.